Exercise 76. Pitman shorthand dictation. Ready, start. Dear Sir, the volumes of the French Revolution for which you ask in your favor of the 1st July shall be delivered to you early tomorrow. We are just now out of stock of the life of Lord Lumley, last year's bestseller, and we are unable to say when we shall have copies. We have a daily delivery from the wholesalers, however, and you may rely upon our mailing the volume to you as soon as it reaches us. We are taking the liberty of enclosing for your approval naval lessons of the war by Philip Valley. Please return this with the next parcel if it makes no appeal to you. Yours truly. Stop.